Hey, how you doing? This is Said from affiliateship.com, and in this video I am going to share with you a really cool app that allows you to create free logos and graphics, all sorts of graphics that you can create for your affiliate marketing needs, okay, for your business. So as you may be aware that creating different types of graphics is part of the day-to-day running of your business. For example, we need to create different sizes of ad banners, logos, social media images, image-based content as well, okay. uh, to create them, you can either outsource to graphic designers or sites like Fiverr, which could cost some money, of course. Alternatively, you can create some of it yourself using graphics apps, okay, saving you money. So regarding the graphics apps, there are quite a few out there and come with a learning curve. For example, Photoshop is a very popular one, and it's probably the number one software out there. I've tried it myself. It does come with a learning curve. You have to learn how to use it first before you can use it. And you can of course create it's one of the best. It is the best, probably the best out there, Photoshop, right? Professional design graphics app, but it is quite costly. And also right now they're moving towards the monthly subscription where you have to pay every month, so to keep on using it, okay. I'm sure a lot of people starting out in affiliate marketing prefer to start small, earn some commissions, that will get you on the path to a decent income level, and then slowly scale up with the earnings and profits. And with those profits and earnings, of course, you can invest in more tools and resources to further grow your business. So if you're thinking like me and would like to minimize your outgoing running costs of your business to starting off, then let me share with you this very cool app, free graphics that will you can use to create your affiliate marketing graphics, okay. So the app is called Canva. All right, so it's an online cloud-based software, so no download required. This is a screenshot of my login area. Just sharing this screen, and it's very easy to use and the easiest I've experienced so far. I've used quite a few different apps like Photoshop. I've used Fireworks. I've used GIMP as well. That's a free one as well, GIMP. And having used all of them, I just find Canva to be the easiest and very simple to use app, okay. So you can just simply sign up for free and start creating in seconds, literally. It also comes with hundreds of professional and commercial looking design, and really amazing professional design ideas and templates that you can simply just load into your the dashboard or whatever is the design area, and then basically just replace the text, wherever the sample text, and just put your text on it. So you don't have to be too creative. Templates provide you with plenty of design ideas to get you started. And here's some of the features and benefits of Canva. So it's free to get started, and you've got the free plan and the pay plan, but you can just start with the free plan. As I said, no design skills required. It's easy to use. Choose from thousands of design templates. You can create logos, banners, posters, business cards, social media ads, posts, and a variety of different types of marketing related assets, okay, if you like design. Like they've even introduced a power presentation. You can create some nice looking presentations as well. So if you've got, for example, webinars or whatever that you want to do in the future, you can create some webinars from it as well, webinar design slides from it and stuff like that, okay. Yeah, so it's cloud-based as well, so you don't have to download any software. It works on Mac and Windows. It probably works on mobile devices as well. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm sure it'll probably work, because as I said, it's web-based as long as you have an internet browser, okay. So Canva comes with the free plan, as I said, and a paid plan. I think the free plan is sufficient for many of your affiliate marketing needs. For example, with the free plan, I've managed to create ad banners, logos, YouTube video covers, social media images, stuff like that. So if you're interested, check it out, canva.com. I'll put a link in the description below, and you can start creating those graphics, okay, for your affiliate marketing business, okay. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy like this video, and please like, comment, and subscribe if you did. And if you'd like some free affiliate resources to build your affiliate marketing business, please visit affiliateship.com/free. Okay, so thanks for watching and take care.